All right, so what do I got next? I got a Toyota Sienna. Looks exactly like my Sienna on the outside. And the problem is it got towed in. She said she backed up and she couldn't go anywhere after she backed up. She backed up and then couldn't go anywhere after that. She could only back up. So she had to tow it in. So what's wrong with it? Let's see. So as you see, I have the key on and it's showing reverse. Now this, for some reason, was hanging off. I don't know why. But if I go to shift it, it doesn't feel right. It feels loose, sloppy. So now I'm shifting it. See the indicator on the dash there? It's not changing. So nothing's happening here. It feels like it's not connected to anything inside here. So, let's go under the hood and take a quick look. Now, some of you know I have this exact same vehicle. And there's the shifter cable. Where is it? See it coming down there. That looks okay. It's not disconnected or anything. So I'm willing to bet the problem is inside. I don't know, maybe the bushing fell apart? I don't know. Let me detrim this thing and let's see what we got. Alright, so I started detrimming the dash a bit. Let me show you what I got. And if you look, in order to get this far to pull this out, now I got to pull the glove box down because there's a bolt hidden behind there. But I had to drop this lower panel here. I had the knee bolster. I had to drop the support that's there, the metal bracket. I don't even know where I put it. I think I put it in the back seat. You got to take the kick panel out on that side just to get all of this out, move this back. But I already see the problem. And if you look, there's the shifter cable right there. And the bushing that goes in there that locks it to the pin right there, that fell out, so it probably disintegrated. So that's the whole problem right there. So I think for some reason somebody has been in here before. So let me see what they want to do. I see there's a piece laying down there. So I don't know what that's from. Maybe it's just a disintegrated piece of bushing. Who knows? All right. I know Dorman makes a kit so you can repair shifter cables like this. I don't know if I'm going to find what I need on there. But I might have enough room to work here. I mean, the shifter feels fine. So we'll see. All right, let me see what I can do here. Okay. So here, the parts store sent me over 3 boxes with different type of shifter bushings, as you can see here. And these basically press into the cable part right down here. So what I need to do is find the one that's going to work. I don't think that one's going to work. It's okay, I'll just hold on to them because they do come in handy. And I mean, that bigger orange one might work, but I got a funny feeling it's going to be something in this kit. So let me find the one I think is going to work and we'll go from there. Alright, so it turns out this bushing is the winner. This actually fits nicely and actually snaps over the shaft, and it'll actually snap into the cable itself. And it actually, this one's a bit pliable, whereas all the other bushings are like a very hard plastic. It has to be like a perfect fit in order for it to like snap into place. So let me get this one on, and just so you know, when this goes in place, it has to go this way into the cable first and then onto the shaft. So a lot of times what you do is to get it onto the cable, you might have to get it in place and then squeeze it in like a pair of pliers or something. Maybe even have to put a socket on the end as like a receiver for when it pops through. So let me see if I can get this on there. All right, so there we go. The bushing's in place, and I mean, it's not exactly what the factory would have. I'm assuming with the factory it'd be over a little more and closer, but I don't have access to one right now. So, and luckily, because this thing is pliable, I was able to like fold it in slightly to get it in place, because that's a tight fit going through the cable part itself, and then it actually snaps onto the piece there perfectly. So this is going to work. This will be fine. I'm not too concerned about it. And it does shift, just like it should. And you can see the mechanism moves the way it's supposed to. So I did wind up pulling that side apart to get the console piece further back because it was just too tight to work on. So let me get this all back together now. All right, so we're all back together with the Toyota. How do we make out? Let's see. So here we are. This is actually the next morning. I didn't get a chance to do this last night. So here we are. We're in park. Now we're in drive. Just gonna drive around a lot real quick. Yep, works perfectly. So we're going to leave it at that. Let me just put this back in a parking spot. Make sure I don't hit nothing. That would ruin my day. Our parking lot's a little tight. And there we go. Alright, so I hope that helps some of you out. If you get anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. That's about it for right now. You guys have a great day. Keep wrenching.